On this video today, I'm going to show you the simplest way that you can use to make money with CPA offers. This is going to be the easiest way that you can ever use to make money with CPA offers as a beginner with zero knowledge and zero experience. The best part is that I'm going to show you a free traffic source that you can use to promote the offers to make money without investing any money. So make sure you keep on watching till the end, and if you are new, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that you are going to create a CPAGRIP account. Once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to come right here and then click on offer tools. Once you click on offer tools, you're going to select my offers. Once you select my offers, you're going to see a page like this. CPA offers, they are country specific. So what you have to do is that you have to select a country right here whereby you have a traffic source so that you can promote the offers. For example, you can see the country right here is United Kingdom. As a school, you can see this offer, you have to promote them to people in the United Kingdom so that you can get them to complete the offers for you to make money. You can select any country in the world. As a school, you can see different countries that you can select. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to search for offers in the United States. So just type US right here. Once you type US, you can see United States. So just click on it so that you can get offers to promote to earn money on CPAGRIP. Once you search for the United States, you can see right here, these are offers that you can promote to earn money from home. You can see this offer right here. If you promote it to people in the United States, what they have to do is that they have to enter their email and zip code so that they can stand the chance of winning $10,000. And once they enter their details, you are going to be earning $2.06. You can see another offer right here. This is a PayPal gift card that your potential visitors can win if they enter their email and zip code. You can see your commission is $2.05. You can see another offer right here. Your commission is $2.05. As I scroll, you can see different offers that you can promote to people in the United States so that they can enter their details for you to make money. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of them. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to promote these two offers. The first one is the $10,000 and the second one is the PayPal gift card. So the next step is that you have to build a landing page so that you can promote these offers. You want to promote up to 2 offers, so you have to build a landing page so that you can promote the offers together. To create a free landing page, what you have to do is that you have to search for site.google.com. Once you search for site.google.com, you're going to see a page like this. What you have to do is that just click on blank so that you can create your free landing page. Once you click on blank, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to begin designing your landing page. So first of all, you have to give it a name. So just come right here and then give any name that you want. You can see right here, this is the name of my landing page. It doesn't matter, you can type any name right here. Once that is done, you are going to give a title to your landing page. You have to give a name that is related to the offers that you are promoting. In this case, they are giveaways, so you are going to type giveaways. So just type giveaways. Once you have your title, just highlight it and then make it bold. So you can also increase the font size if you want. So just scroll down and then increase the font size. As you can see, that has been done. The next step is that you are going to add an image to the background. So just come right here, click on change image. Once that is done, you are going to select right here, select image. Once you click on select image, you are going to see a page like this. Come right here, search, so that you can search for images on Google. Once you click on search, you are going to type PayPal gift card. Once you type PayPal gift card, you are going to come right here, click on search so that you can search for free images. Once you click on search, you can see different images that you can use as your background image. As I scroll, you can see many of them. Just select any of them that you want. In this case, I'm going to select this one right here. So just select it, click right here, select, so that it will be used as your background image. As you can see, that has been done. The next step is that you are going to add content to your landing page. So just come right here, click on text box. Once you click on text box, you're going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to paste the title of the offer that you are promoting right here. So you have to go back on CPAGRIP so that you can get the title of the offer. Once you come back on CPAGRIP, what you have to do is that you have to click on the offer so that you can get your affiliate link and the title of the offer. Once you click on it, you can see this is the title of the offer. You can see right here, this is the payout. So anytime you get people to enter the required details right here, you are going to be earning this amount, $2.05. You can see the warning right here. This offer is only allowed in the United States. So you have to get people in the United States so that they can take the action for you to make money. This is your affiliate link right here. So now what you have to do is that you have to copy the title of the offer. So just highlight it and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to send it back to your landing page. So just come back on your landing page and then paste your title right here. As you can see, that has been done. So you are going to make it bold, so just highlight it. Once you highlight it, you are going to come right here and then select any font size that you want. In this case, I'm going to select 24. Once that is done, you are going to highlight it and then center this particular text. So just highlight it, come right here, select align. Once that is done, you are going to select the second one right here. Once you have your title, the next step is that you are going to add an image of the offer that you are promoting right here. So just come back on CPAGRIP and then right click on the image of the offer. Once you right click, you are going to select save image as, so that you can save the image of the offer. Once you save the image of the offer, you're going to come back on your landing page. Now what you have to do is that you have to come right here, click on images. Once you click on images, you're going to select upload. Once you click on upload, you are going to select your image and then click on open, so that your image will be uploaded right here. As you can see, this is the image. So what you have to do is that you have to expand it. So just drag and expand it. Just drag and expand it. As you can see, that has been done. So the next step is that you are going to add a call to action right here, so that you can get people to click through your affiliate link so that they can get access to the offer. So just come right here, click on text box. Once you click on text box, you're going to type a call to action like this. Click here to claim offer now. So once you have your call to action, just highlight it. Once you highlight it, you're going to make it bold and then increase the font size. So just increase it to any font size that you want. Once you select the font size, you're going to center it. So just come right here, click on align. Once you click on align, select the second one. As you can see, your call to action is now centered. The next step is that you're going to insert your affiliate link right here. So what you have to do is that you have to go back on CPAGRIP so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you come back on CPAGRIP, just click right here, copy link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you're going to come back on your landing page. Just highlight your call to action. Once you highlight it, click on this particular icon, click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to paste your affiliate link right here. Once that is done, click on apply. So as you can see, your affiliate link is now inserted in this particular text. So anytime your visitors click on this particular call to action, they are going to get access to the product through your affiliate link. So once that is done, you are also going to highlight the image. Once you highlight it, click on insert link. Once that is done, just paste your affiliate link right here, click on apply. So now the image is also linked to your affiliate link. So anytime you get people to click through the image or the call to action, they are going to be directed to the product through your affiliate link. So now once this is done, the next step is that you're going to add another offer so that you can get people to choose any of the offers that they want. You can add as many offers that you want. In this case, I'm going to add 2. So I'm going to do that for the next one and come back to you. As you can see, we now have a full landing page. You can see the offers. So the next step is that you are going to publish this particular landing page. So just come right here, click on publish so that you can publish it. Once you click on publish, you are going to enter a web address right here. As you can see, this is my web address. If it is not available, what you have to do is that you have to type a different web address. In this case, mine is available, so just click right here, publish, so that you can publish your landing page. Once you click on publish, you can see your site has been published successfully. You can come right here, click on this particular icon so that you can get the link to your landing page. Once you click on it, just click on copy link. Once you copy the link, you can test the link on a new tab so that you can see how your landing page will appear to your potential visitors. So just open a new tab. Once you open a new tab, you're going to paste the link to your landing page so that you can see how it will look like. As you can see, this is your landing page. This is the exact page that your potential visitor is going to see before they click through your call to actions to get access to the products that you are promoting. As you can see, this is the landing page. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to find a traffic source whereby we can get people from the United States to click through our links and then get access to the products so that they can enter the requirements for us to make money. The next step is that you're going to come on this website, tobackpage.com. This website allows you to post ads to any part in the world. As you can see right here, you can post ads to any state in the United States. You can see you can post ads to any part in Canada. As I scroll, you can see different countries that you can post your ad. As you can see on SimilarWeb, the website gets up to 737.8k visits every month. So this is nearly 1 million visits every month. As you can see right here, 78.90% of the people who visit this website are from the United States. So we are going to get the right people to click through our link so that they can take the action for us to make money. So now what you have to do is that you have to create your free accounts so that you can be using this website to drive traffic back to your landing page. So just come right here, click on my account so that you can sign up for a free account. Once you sign up for a free account, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, post ad. Once you click on post ad, you're going to see a page like this. As you can see right here, they have 3 options: post free ad, post local ad, post in multiple cities. The 2 options you have to pay. By the first one, you can post your ads here for free. So just click on post free ads. If you are able to get conversion, you can then pay for the premium ads. So just select the free one. Once you select the free one, the next step is that you are going to select the location right here. So just click on the United States. Once you click on that, you can see all the states in the United States. As you can see, a whole lot of them. So just select any state that you want. In this case, I'm going to select California. Once you click on California, you can see the cities in California that you can post your ad. So just select any of the popular cities. In this case, I'm going to select this one. Once you select a city, the next step is that you're going to select the category of the ad that you want to run. So just come right here, select buy, sell, trade. So just click on that. Once you click on that, you're going to come right here, select free. Once you click on free, you can see this is where you're going to paste the details of the ad that you want to run on this platform. So you have to enter a title right here and then a description. You can just come on CPAGRIP and then copy any of the titles of the offers that you are promoting. In this case, I'm just going to select the PayPal gift card. Once that is done, you are going to come back on your ad and then paste it right here. Once that is done, the next step is that you are going to write a brief description about your ad so that you can post it onto this platform. You can see this is my call to action right here. So now what you have to do is that you have to copy and paste the link to your landing page right here. So just come back on your landing page. Once you come back on your landing page, you're going to click right here. Once you click on it, click on copy link. Once you copy the link, you are going to shorten it so that it can look nice. So just search for this particular website, bit.ly.com. Once you are on the website, just paste your affiliate link right here. Once that is done, you are going to click on shorten so that you can shorten your link. As you can see, it is now shortened. Once that is done, just click on copy so that you can copy your link. Once you copy your link, you're going to come back on your ad and then paste it right here. As you can see, this is your link. So anytime your potential visitor copy and paste this particular link into their browsers, they are going to get access to the offers through your affiliate links. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see your age, so just enter any number right here. In this case, I'm going to enter 23. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see location. So the location that you selected will automatically appear right here. Once that is done, you are going to enter your email address. Once that is done, if you want to add your mobile number, you can do so. Once that is done, you are going to add images of the product that you are promoting. So just click right here, browse, so that you can upload the images that you saved. Once you upload the image of the offer, the next step is that you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see by placing this ad, I agree to the terms of use and privacy policy. So you have to select this box. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, I'm not a robot. Once you click on that, you are going to click right here, continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to see a page like this. As you can see, this is the title of your ad. You can see your description right here. When you come here, you can see this is your link. Always remember to remove the first part of the link so that this website will not detect that it is a link. As you can see my link right here, I have removed the first part of the link. So anytime your potential visitors copy and paste this particular link, it is going to work. So let me just copy it and then demonstrate it for you to see. Okay, let me just click on enter so that you can see it on a new tab. You can see it has opened. So if your potential visitors copy and paste the link, it is also going to work. So make sure you always remove this first part of the link so that the website will not detect that it is a link. So once that is done, you can post your ad for free. As you can see, all the details is available. So now what you have to do is that you have to prove that you are not a robot. So just come right here, I'm not a robot. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, place ad now, so that you can publish your ad onto the platform. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see your ad posted successfully. So your ad is now live onto the platform. So anytime you get people to click through your link in the United States and then take the action, you are going to be making money on CPAGRIP. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not yet subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button.